Good afternoon to all the NSS volunteers.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hope you all are okay and healthy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can even reply on my WhatsApp. I will be able to see there also. I am conducting this Zoom meeting on PC along with my mobile also is being there. So we'll start. So we have planned this meeting as you are being witnessing, you all are being witnessing that the COVID-19 situation is being changing very rapidly, especially considering our country. We are being seen that the number of cases in our country is increasing very rapidly, and now we are not able to understand exactly what exactly is going on, what government is doing, what we need to do, and what would be the status after this, and what should be the plan. And with that objective, today we have planned this meeting on COVID-19 phase 3 control. So we'll begin. So we'll try to understand what exactly is this phase 3, and what is the thing what we need to understand in this phase 3. So as we are being seen that number of cases, what we are being actually fearing कि ये सारी situation ना आए, but inadvertently ये सारी चीज़ें धीरे धीरे ही सही अपने इंडिया में शुरू हुई हैं. So we have entered in a phase 3 in India, and this phase is nothing but a spread in community. As you are being seen that even in the periphery, even in the villages, and in every town, it is being spreading rapidly, and that is the thing what is being called as phase 3, where the cases are being increasing in a large amount day by day, every day. So that is the thing what is being called as community spread. So this is the time when the transmission is occurring to the community at a large. So from this onward, you can expect that anybody anywhere can get infected. So that is the phase what is being called as phase 3 community spread. So we need to understand about this. And यहाँ पे अगर लॉकडाउन की बात करें कि स्टिल वी आर बीइंग हियरिंग कि गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग लॉकडाउन इन नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट एरियाज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, बट when the community spread has started, now it is a way we can say that there is no use of doing a lockdown. So that is the thing what we need to understand. Already it has been spread in the community. So in this phase, the infection is already there in the community. वो चाहे diagnosed phases हो या फिर undiagnosed cases हो, दोनों form में it is being available in the community, and so it will be going to spread throughout India. That is the thing what we need to understand. But with this situation also, there is no need to get fear or panic. So panic होने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है, and that is the thing what we need to understand. Because if you are being seeing the other side of coin is, भले ही इतने सारे लोग affect हो रहे हैं, yes Aditi, hello, yes, somebody is having audio on.
No, sir. Yes, sir. I told to mute.
हाँ बोलो आदिति.
नहीं सर, मैंने उनको म्यूट करने बोला, उनका अनम्यूट था ना.
Okay, ठीक है. So the other side of coin what we are being seen is, भले ही बहुत सारे लोग infect हो रहे हैं, but we are being seen that maximum number of patient, more than 85% people are getting cleared after their primary infection. So that is the positive thing what we need to look into this phase 3 community spread. आउट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग 15, बचे हुए जो 15% है, उसमें से भी लेस देन 5% आर ओनली गेटिंग सीरियस स्टेट्स ऑफ COVID-19 with which are being along with this they are being suffering from other comorbidities. So that is the thing what we need to understand. So you can calculate 85 plus 10%, 95% are people are being getting recovered from this disease without any complications. So that is the thing what we need to understand. So there is no need to fear or panic. So why such a kind of spread is being occurring, that is the thing what we need to understand here. So what are the commonest causes of such a kind of community spread? So we are looking into this commonest causes which are being observed since last 2 months or 1 month, what you are being seen. First, most important is many people are in a dilemma or they are in a state of delusion that I am fit and nothing will happen to me, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा ना. ये जो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस है इसके वजह से बहुत सारे लोग become the victim to the COVID-19. Second important reason what has been found is attending the funerals without taking any precautions. It is not that you should not attend, but you should take the appropriate precautions while attending all these funerals. And that is one of the second commonest reason. Third, attending marriages as well as birthdays or other celebration. So that is the third common reason for such a kind of spread. Visiting to the marketplace for buying number of different types of things with necessity or without necessity. One more important, fifth important cause is attending the beauty parlors. Beauty parlor and saloon attend करने के बाद में बहुत सारे लोग पॉजिटिव आए हैं. So that is also one of the important area what we need to look into. And six, that is history of travel into the hotspot. So these are the important reason. And seven important reason that what we are being observed is those people who are being quarantined are not following the guidelines of quarantine, and that's why they are being getting affected. So improper home quarantine is one of the important reason, and that's why all these causes lead to the spread into the community. First, they are being transmitting, all these people are transmitting infection to their family members, to their friends, to their neighbors, and lastly to the villagers or city people, and it is going on so on. So spreading in such a kind of chain. So that is the thing what we need to understand. So as you are being seen in this diagram, corona क्यों फैल रहा है? So that is the thing कि ये तो मेरे colleagues हैं, इनके साथ मास्क पहनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. People are avoiding using mask while attending their office and all such kind of things. ये मेरा friend है, इनके साथ क्या मास्क की जरूरत है ना? ये मेरे relatives हैं, इनके साथ भी मास्क की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. These are the commonest problem which is creating the such a kind of spread. So what we need to do for control of this phase 3 community spread में किस तरह से control करना चाहिए? So what should be our basic objectives? First, we should have to take a control of spread and transmission. So spread कम हो और transmission कम हो, but utility of this control of spread is very less in phase 3. Second, understanding the modus operandi as well as the important causes of spread, as we have already seen in the previous slide कि क्यों spread हो रहा है, क्या क्या reasons है, ये सारी चीजें आपको समझ में आनी चाहिए. Then only you are being able to control. Then third important thing is proper contact tracing. That is the thing which is being one of the difficult point where government is even facing problem कि they are not able to trace the contacts properly, and that's why it is being spreading to the non-infected area. Fourth, that is unlocking with a proper care. That should be the most important. Unlocking phase चल रहा है, and within this nobody knows what exactly need to do while going to their business, to their work, and what is the thing what we need to do for attending different types of activity throughout a day. That should be needed to be taught to them. Treatment of the affected patient, that is the most important area. And six is development of herd immunity. So herd immunity is one of the important topic what you are being seen there in community medicine. Herd immunity is nothing but immunity acquired by the community. So ये इन्फेक्शन अभी कम्युनिटी लेवल पे जा चुका है. बहुत सारे लोग जब इन्फेक्ट हो जाएंगे they will develop a immunity because of such a kind of spread, and that is called as herd immunity. Herd immunity is a type of active immunity and gives you a important protective aspect relating to this infection. So our main objective is to stop this corona. So stop COVID is the most important thing what we are going to do. So क्या क्या चीजें करेंगे? So first we'll see control of spread and transmission. For that, what we need to do, first thing is follow the social distancing measures which is being required, use of mask by the patients. So most important thing, rather than non-patient, it is being advised many times that कि पेशेंट्स को मास्क यूज करना जरूरी है. आज भी हम लोग जब देखते हैं many people who are being suffering from flu like illnesses, they are not even using the mask. So that is the thing need to be get changed. Follow the respiratory hygiene. Respiratory precaution कैसे लेना है, ये that is being the most important thing. Hand hygiene, which is being the most important, as we are being followed this, as you are being seen in the image. Say no to the handshake, hugs and high fives. So that is the thing what we need to do for control of spread or transmission of the novel coronavirus. So what is the thing what we need to do next is individual level care ना. So community level spread stop करने के लिए देखा, अभी individual level पे क्या क्या चीजें करना जरूरी है, that we are going to see. So first thing is avoid going in the crowded places. Crowded places में जाना रोकना होगा. We need to use mask even if we need to go in a crowd or somewhere in the market or office. Frequent hand wash as being advised by WHO. Do the regular physical exercise. Physical exercise will improve your lung capacity, which will improve your immunity as well as your mental stability, as well as your immunity to fight against the COVID infection. So physical activity is being necessary. Even if you are being sitting in a home from long time, if you are being doing physical activity daily, it will going to prevent the COVID infection. As well as one of the important thing, make up your mind for the changes. So पूरी दुनिया change हो रही है along with this COVID-19, and that you need to also understand as well as you need to spread in the community also कि हमको set up कर लेना चाहिए mind को for changes in a number of different kind of situation. आपके job level पे changes आ सकते हैं, society में change आ सकता है, family level पे change आ सकते हैं. So building up a mental makeup is one of the most important thing. As well as the most along with that is be in touch. Rather than going in a depression, you need to be in touch with your doctors, your friends, your relatives, whatever you are being feeling. और ये सारी चीजें नहीं है तो at least ask for help. So that is the thing what is being required to do at an individual level care, so that you can get uh, protected from such a kind of risk. So how we are going to reduce the risk of COVID-19? So cleaning hands often, cough or sneeze in your bent elbow or not in your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Limit the social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. So that is the simple thing what we need to do. As well as you can do a cleaning and disinfect. Frequently touch objects and surfaces. So आपके table, chairs and all these kinds of things, desk, what we need to do a cleaning with sodium hypochlorite. So that is the thing what you can do. So these are the common measure what you are being seen in the image. Uh, what are the appropriate behavior? How to use a mask? That is the thing which is being the most important issue what we are being seen. Many people are using mask in a wrong way, and that is leading to the spread of infection to them. So that is the proper way is a green tick mark which is being showing that how you need to use a mask, as well as proper handling and care. Government has even advice for using khadi mask. Most important triple layer mask is being the most important thing. So that is the thing what we need to take care of. So ये तो individual level पे हो गया. Now we'll talk when you are going out or in office or at your workplace, क्या क्या चीजें आपको करना जरूरी है. So first important thing, there are certain guidelines given by WHO as well as Government of India for entry and exit. So these entry and exit guidelines need to be followed. Most important thing within that is use of sanitizer, thermal gun checkup, and other screening measures. Next important thing, those people who are being going out should be using a proper mask. Not any mask which being of a thin layer or single layer. They should use either proper N95 mask or at least minimum 3-layer protected mask should be used. Avoid sharing things at the office. ना ऑफिस में जाएंगे तो पेन दे, पेपर दे, ये वो चीज़ें जो शेयरिंग हम लोग रेगुलरली करते हैं वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Next, use of sanitizer regularly. You should keep a pocket sanitizer along with you so that you can use it on your own basis. That is the best thing what you can do. Follow the respiratory hygiene. No? that is what we already seen. Hand hygiene need to be followed. So these are the basic measure care what you need to take at office as well as workplace. So these are the common things what you are being seen, what we already talked about. So जब ऑफिस जाएंगे तो some of the important thing is do not do handshake, एकमेकांशी हात जुळवू नये, सार्वजनिक ठिकाणी हात लावायचा नाही. म्हणजे whenever you are being opening the door and shutting door, you should not touch with your arms or hands, but rather than you can use your elbow or such kind of things. So that is the thing. Keep a minimum distance. 1 meter बोला गया है, but it is better to keep at least 2 meter distance, as we are being seeing the spread is being occurring at the level of community. So unnecessary travel need to be avoided. So that is the thing what we need to do. Now नेक्स्ट इज केयर ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट्स. सो जो लोग इन्फेक्टेड पेशेंट्स के साथ कॉन्टैक्ट में आ चुके हैं, इफ यू आर बीइंग नोइंग, सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू एट दिस स्टेज. सो केयर ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. So first important thing, do COVID-19 testing as soon as you notice that you are being exposed to the patient. So that is the thing. So आपको टेस्ट करवा लेना चाहिए. Do not get fear. टेस्ट बहुत कुछ ऐसा डिफिकल्ट है या फिर कुछ इंजेक्शन दे रहे हैं, nothing like that. It is very proper way of doing, taking a swab and all those things, and they are being now being trained in taking all these kinds of things as they are being doing in last 3 to 4 months. Second important thing, quarantine in house properly. Separate room में which is being attached with toilet bathroom should be quarantine. Quarantine measures should be done in a proper way. Proper sanitation need to be maintained while you are being doing quarantine. Do not roam anywhere when you during the phase of your quarantine. Take a proper diet. Avoid stress and stigma. Do not go into a lot of anxiety and such kind of thing. As well as your family member need to be advised to not to ignore the affected or contacted person, but and remove the stigma. Psychological support की जरूरत होती है उन सबको. So that need to be given to the family as well as to the contact person. Take appropriate medical treatment as advised by the government from time to time by contacting the doctors. Most important thing is follow the Ayush or government guidelines. Ayush ने जो हमको guidelines दिए हैं, you can follow Ayurvedic also. You by using Ayurvedic Kada, you can do arsenic as a immunoprophylactic you can use. So such kind of things from time to time जो भी आयुष ने या गवर्नमेंट ने गाइडलाइन दी है उनको फॉलो करना जरूरी है. नेक्स्ट इज रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन, hand hygiene, and after quarantine period you need to repeat test so that you can confirm that you are not been infected. So that is the thing what you need to do. Now the most important, care of a patient. So जो भी infected patients है उनमें क्या चीजें करना जरूरी होती हैं, as we have already seen in lot of training, but I am summarizing in a short that there are two groups in this care of patient. One is asymptomatic patient and other is symptomatic patients. So both them are being kept in a separate wards. Asymptomatic patient के लिए they need to report to the government hospital immediately, take complete treatment in the government facility. Nowadays your government is even advising to take the treatment at quarantine care centers also. रिपोर्ट इफ एनी सिम्टम्स अराइज. ऐसे जो असिम्टोमेटिक पेशेंट्स हैं उनमें अगर कोई सिम्टम्स आते हैं, सो इट हैज बीन सीन इन some 2% patient that asymptomatic patient suddenly goes into the severe complications. So उनको अगर कोई भी symptom लगते हैं तो they need to contact immediately, and repeat testing should be done after 10 days, and they should at least quarantine for 2 weeks and follow the guidelines appropriately. Next is symptomatic patients. They also need to get hospitalized in a COVID care center. Respiratory care is most important in such kind of patients, as being respiratory system is the main target of COVID-19. Start the treatment as per protocol. So we are being seen number of different types of antiviral medicines, antibiotics which are being used. Azithromycin, we are being seen favipiravir and all such kind of medicines which are being used. Oseltamivir and all these medicines which are being given as per the protocol. Symptoms की severity क्या है उसके ऊपर depend करेगा. They need to follow the hand hygiene. They need to take a proper rest and proper diet. Again, engage in certain activities, whatever hobbies you are being having. Avoid stigma and stress in such a kind of states. Repeat the test after recovery के बाद में उनको वापस टेस्ट करना जरूरी है. After treatment they should get home quarantine at least for 2 to 3 weeks. So 2 से 3 हफ्ते के लिए उनको क्वारंटाइन होना जरूरी है, so that they should not spread the remaining infections to the other people. Now this is the main part कि हम लोग क्या करें एज अ एनएसएस कोविड वॉरियर्स, हमारा क्या रोल होगा ना. सो दैट इज द थिंग व्हाट we are being concentrating on. So we need to guide the people about how to avoid and prevent COVID-19 infections. So that is our main objective what we are being seen. Second important thing, we need to again tell them about do's and don'ts for COVID-19 mitigation. control करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए ना. So that is the thing, as it has been a community spread, the scope of these first two criteria is being less, but still we need to take care of these things. Again, काउंसलिंग ऑफ नेबर्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. काउंसलिंग जरूरी है. इवन इफ आपके नेबर्स, आजू बाजू वाले फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स को किसी को हो जाता है तो उनको प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग करना जरूरी है कि डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. द प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट्स आर नाउ अवेलेबल at all the places. Medicines is available. Even you can, if you are asymptomatic, you can take a treatment at the quarantine centers also. That is the thing how we need to understand. Tell them about that recovery rate is very high and maximum number of people are getting recovered from the illness. So that is the thing what we need to do in the counseling. Then awareness activities in the neighboring areas and to the needy people. हमारा अभी काम है कि नेबरिंग एरिया जो भी हैं, आपके बाजू बाजू वाली जो गलियां हैं, आपके गांव हैं, तो वहाँ पे अवेयरनेस एक्टिविटीज आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड के लिए, दैट यू नीड टू डू. So aware in the people that it is a phase of phase 3 and you need to take precaution not only outside but even within a home. So that is the message what we need to give in this awareness activity. स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ नेबरिंग एरियाज, आपके आजू बाजू वाले जो एरियाज है वहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग करना जरूरी है. आई विल मेक गूगल फॉर्म, आई विल सेंड इट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, and with this Google form we'll try to do the screening of number of people, or you can even take a hard copy and you can do screening in your area, neighboring areas, to find out the contact tracing so that they should not be affecting the other non-affected persons. So that is the thing what we are going to do through the screening. As well as we can identify these patients and we can advise them to go to the government hospital. You need to again help them in going to the nearest hospitals or government contacts. You can even give government helpline numbers relating to the COVID-19. So what is the important thing is avoid the 3 C's. So avoiding in crowd, going in crowded places, avoid close contact settings, avoid करने हैं, avoid confined and enclosed places. So that is the thing which is being increasing risk, and that is the thing what we need to avoid. आपको सेल्फ केयर भी जरूरी है. एनएसएस वॉलंटियर का खुद का केयर, ये सारी चीजें करते समय आपको लेना जरूरी है. दैट इज द थिंग व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. Next is, as we are being seen in the second figure, that how is the risk related with using and non using of mask. And सिर्फ मास्क यूज करना जरूरी नहीं है, तो उसके साथ में यू नीड टू कीप एटलीस्ट 2 meters distance so that you should not be getting any transmission. So that is the criteria what we need to tell to the people also whenever you are being doing counseling and awareness activities. Provide government hospital contacts, as we have been seen. This is a common number 1075 is being given for a helpline, so that government can take care of these people who are being seems to be suspected contacts or like this. So हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है. So awareness about stigma और fear जो है लोगों के मन में, जो डर बैठा हुआ है कोरोना का, वो निकालना है. Importance of care and proper use of mask. मास्क किस तरह सही तरीके से कैसे यूज करना है और क्या क्या केयर लेनी है इन हाउस एज वेल एज आउटसाइड हाउस, वो हमको उनको बताना है. गाइड अबाउट हाउ टू क्वारंटाइन प्रॉपरली. सो क्वारंटाइन कैसे किया जाता है, कैसे होना चाहिए, व्हाट द पीपल इन द फैमिली शुड डू एंड व्हाट द suspected patient should do, that need to be tell them in a proper way. Guide for their business and office care. ऑफिस में जाने से पहले, जाने के बाद में, घर पे आने के वक्त क्या क्या चीज़ें नेसेसरी हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें उनको बताना है. एक्सप्लेन द कॉजेस ऑफ स्प्रेड. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉजेज जो हैं उनको, वो सारी चीज़ें उनको एक्सप्लेन करनी है आपको, सो दैट दे कैन टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. सो कॉमनेस्ट कॉजेज जो हमने पहले देखे, वो सारी चीज़ें उनको बताना है, सो दैट दे कैन टेक केयर ऑफ देयर ओन हेल्थ. Volunteers self care is also being important, what you are being seen while working in the community. So that is the thing what we are going to do. So break the stigma is one of the most important thing. And that's all for today. What we need to do is come together, we need to live together, and we need to win together. So that is the message for today, as we all NSS volunteers are being knowing that our main objective is not me but you. So it is a time what we need to do for our country, our society, community, our friends and relatives. So thank you very much. हेलो आदिति,
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
स्क्रीन दिख रहा था तुम लोगों को?
हाँ सर, स्क्रीन दिख रहा था, मैंने भी रिकॉर्डिंग किया है।
ओके ओके, चलो थैंक यू वेरी मच, सबको बोलो थैंक यू।
यस
शैल वी स्टॉप?
यस सर,
Thank you, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।